Sashiburi guys, what is happening? Vimal here. Welcome back to my channel. 2025 is almost coming to an end and I wanted to end it with a bang. And what better way than to build one final gaming PC build in this year. So if you guys have been following me on my Instagram, you might know, right? I recently posted a reel where I actually built a gaming PC for my sister. So this is actually the main video of that, guys. Basically the continuation and in-depth part where I'll be talking about the entire PC configuration and who it's made for, target audience, and also we'll check out the performance benchmarks and everything. So make sure to watch it till the end. So before we actually get into the video and talk about the whole configuration and the components, right, first of all let me tell you what kind of PC build is basically the concept of this gaming PC. See guys, my sister, you people know, right, she's a content creator and she also helps me out with my video editing and all of that, and at the same time she also plays a lot of AAA games and stuff like that. So she wanted like an all-in-one PC and solution, guys. So that is a whole concept. The kind of configuration that I'll be talking about and building a PC in this video is great for 1440p high frame rate gaming. You play any sort of AAA game at very high graphics also, you'll get consistent results. And not only 1440p, this configuration can easily handle 4K gaming as well. Not just gaming, as I've told you, this is like an all-in-one solution, right? It's also great for content creation, productivity, or maybe you're like a streamer, you would record a lot of gameplay videos, or maybe you do live streaming parallelly playing games at the same time, right? Yes, this PC can easily handle these sort of tasks and applications, no issues at all. Anyways, moving on, now let's get to the configuration and talk about the components. First of all, let me tell you, today we'll be building like an all AMD PC platform, guys. That means the CPU, GPU and motherboard is also on AMD's platform only. And let me tell you, this is a new gen PC that will also be like future proof for you. We'll be using AMD's Ryzen 9000 series CPUs, Radeon 9000 series GPUs, DDR5 platform, PCI Gen 5 SSD storage, and everything is basically new gen and future proof for you. First of all, let me tell you about the CPU. See, at the beginning only I've told you, right, our priority was not only gaming but a bit of content creation, productivity and couple of heavy workload applications, right? That is the reason I have chosen AMD's Ryzen 9 9900 X3D CPU. And boys, this is a monster gaming CPU, especially if you're looking for like no compromise gaming solution on a high-end system, right? This is a CPU you can definitely have a look at, because on this particular model, right, you're getting AMD's second gen 3DV cache. AMD's X3D processors feature like large pools of cache, guys, basically stacked vertically on top of each other and offer massive amount of L2 and L3 cache. This greatly improves overall gaming performance, hence the name 3DV. 3DV stands for 3D vertically stacked cache, guys, L2 plus L3. So it's gonna offer you like excellent gaming performance, which I'll anyhow show you in this video. The new Ryzen 9 9900 X3D is based on TSMC 4nm Zen 5 architecture and features 12 cores and 24 threads with a base clock of around 4.4 GHz and the max boost clock of up to 5.5 GHz. And yes, it is unlocked, so full OC potential is also there. The rated TDP is around 120 watt. Keeping the CPU aside, let me also tell you about the GPU. GPU is also quite special. So here also I'm using AMD's Radeon 9000 series GPUs. And at the beginning only I've told you, right, our goal was to play like 1440p high frame rate gaming or maybe like casual 4K gaming, right? And for this purpose, AMD's Radeon 9070 XT will get your job done. The model we have in the home today is from Gigabyte. This is the Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC 16GB edition. The Radeon 9070 XT is based on TSMC 4nm RDNA 4 architecture, basically a new gen GPU that comes with 3rd gen reaccelerators and also 2nd gen AI accelerators. Not to forget, on board you're getting up to 16 gigs of GDDR6 VRAM. So not only for gaming, maybe you're into a bit of productivity, content creation, or maybe AI related workloads, right? That big 16GB VRAM will definitely help you out and also makes you a bit on the future proof side. So here's how Gigabyte's Gaming OC Radeon RX 9070 XT looks like, and it's a beautiful card, guys. You're getting nice design, build quality is also nice. At the back side you're getting reinforced metal backplate. Not to miss out, on the front you're getting Gigabyte's Wind Force cooling solution featuring 3x Hawk fans and an alternate spin design. On board you're also getting a dual BIOS switch to easily switch between either performance mode or silent mode, and obviously you're also getting RGB lighting with a sliding plate to the side, so customize the whole look and feel. And wait a second, I haven't told you about the motherboard, right? Obviously this is also based on AMD's new gen platform, guys, the X870. So the model we'll be using today is Gigabyte's X870 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi 7 motherboard, and I'm telling you, right, this motherboard offers like top notch features for the price point. First of all, you're getting AMD same 5 socket, so it supports Ryzen 7000 to all the way up to 9000 series CPUs. And not to forget, you're getting a robust power solution. Digital twin 16 plus 2 plus 2 phases VRM solution will offer like a solid power delivery for the CPU to give you like top notch, no compromise performance. Obviously it does support DDR5 RAM along with AMD Expo. PCI 5.0 support is there not only for the GPU but also for the memory. And on board you're getting next gen connectivity that literally features Wi-Fi 7 along with an ultra high gain antenna included in the package. Not to miss out, you're also getting 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN port and USB 4 Type-C ports are also available. So that's it guys, these were the main stars of the show. Keeping all that aside, let me talk about the rest of the components. So for cooling, we are using like a powerful Ryzen 9 9900X3D, right? That is the reason I'll be going for like a 360mm AI liquid cooler. And this one is also a bit newer gen guys, that literally comes with like a fully customizable 2.4 inches IPS LCD display. You can apply various GIFs, picture files, or maybe like videos also, and fully give your own vibe and custom theme to the overall gaming PC. Talking about the RAM, I'll be going with like 32GB DDR5 RAM, 16x2 in dual channel, and clocked at 6400 MT per second, and pair that with 1TB PCI Gen 5 SSD. Lastly, if you talk about the power supply, then I believe for this sort of configuration, I'll be using like a 1000 watt PCI 5.0 new gen power supply guys, will get your job done. And case though, I'll leave it up to you because everybody has their own taste and preference, right? And also obviously the budget as well. Today I'll be using like a full on dual chamber design case that comes with like included RGB fans and also has like tempered panoramic glass view and stuff like that. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the build. So guys, our PC is all done and here's our very first look and initial impressions. I have to say, holy moly, now that is a beautiful looking gaming PC. I mean, check out the whole components on the inside and obviously fully customizable RGB lighting. On top of that, this PC was made for my sister, right? She really loves Pokemon and these sort of anime figurines, so I've put some nice toys in the PC case and boy, it definitely looks very nice guys. I mean, check it out. Just sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy this beautiful cinematic shots. Okay, I know you people are like eagerly waiting to check out the performance of the new Radeon RX 9070 XT, right? So today we'll be doing like variety of testings guys. Apart from synthetic benchmarks, we'll also be doing gameplay benchmarks at different resolution, at 1440p, 4K resolution, with ray tracing, without ray tracing, and obviously FSR on and off as well. So you are gonna get like a detailed analysis, so make sure to watch it till the end. The PC that we built today is not just meant for gaming. You can even use it for like excellent content creation and productivity applications as well. I mean, obviously we're using AMD 2nd gen X3D chipset, right? Even if you're doing like Photoshop, maybe editing a couple of photos, using AI related work, or even if you're doing like video editing as well, right? PC is like very well balanced, configured. It can easily handle all your applications and tasks, no sweat at all. I mean, look at this. I've tried a couple of photo editing applications like Adobe Photoshop and also did a bit of video editing as well. You can easily do like hardcore 1080p 1440p video editing, not an issue at all.
I've also ran some synthetic benchmarks like Cinebench. Just have a look at the scores. Now let's finally get into the gaming benchmarks and check out how does this PC handle gaming at different resolution presets, maybe like 1440p and obviously 4K resolution as well. And we'll be playing some popular AAA titles that will put a lot of load on the hardware, especially the CPU and GPU.
First, let's start off with Spider-Man 2. So right now in this first clip, we're playing the game at 1440p resolution, very high graphics preset, native resolution guys, no upscaling technology, no frame generation, nothing like that. I want to show you the raw rasterization performance of this card. And there you go, as you people can see, on an average, the 9070 XT was being able to run this game at around 125 to 130 FPS on an average. Now that is what I'm talking about. Muska gaming experience guys, look at this buttery smooth performance. So let's quickly enable FSR 4.0 and also AMD's frame generation set to balanced profile and see what sort of performance difference we'll see. Holy moly, are you people looking at the kind of difference we're getting? Simply enabling FSR and AMD's fluid motion frames at the same 1440p very high settings, now we were getting almost like 190 to 200 FPS on an average, and in certain scenes it was even going above 200 FPS also. Madness guys. I'm telling you right, gamers are gonna absolutely enjoy playing games at these sort of settings. So right now we are playing Cyberpunk 2077 because I'm pretty sure I get a lot of comments every time asking me to add Cyberpunk to the benchmarks, and that is obviously included in the list guys. So this game also will be playing at two different resolutions, 1440p and 4K. So let's start off the first test with 1440p resolution. The graphics preset is set to very high, and as usual guys, playing at native resolution, no ray tracing, no FSR, nothing is enabled, and on an average we were getting around like 115 to 120 FPS on an average. Raw rasterization performance guys, excellent results is what I can say. Quickly enabling ray tracing at 1440p resolution, these are the results. As you people know, ray tracing is quite taxing on the GPU, right? Definitely puts a lot of load on the hardware. Obviously frame rate would decrease from triple digit FPS, now we've come down to around like 55 to 60 FPS. Again, this is where AMD's FSR 4.0 does the magic, simply enabling FSR upscaling and frame generation, keeping the graphics same as before. There you go, now you can definitely see a big jump in the performance, right? From 50 to 60 FPS straight to 110 to 115 FPS guys, almost 2 times the performance boost by simply enabling a small setting in the game. Bumping up the resolution to 4K, here are the results. We're playing the game at 4K native resolution guys, very high graphics preset, no upscaling turned on, and average frame rate is around like 48 to 50 FPS. And quickly enabling ray tracing along with FSR and FG, bam! 120 to 125 FPS on an average. See, if you're looking to buy a new GPU that is well capable of handling 1440p games with triple digit FPS, right? That too along with ray tracing, AI based upscaling technologies to be a bit on the future proof side, right? Then this might be the card for you.
Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. This is what I wanted to show you all in this video. A single PC that can handle all your requirements and workloads. Either it be gaming, streaming, or even content creation and productivity workloads, right? This all AMD PC will get your job done. AMD's Ryzen 9 9900 X3D is a monster CPU and can very well multitask all of these workloads. Plus, if you want to play games again as I've shown you just now, that Radeon RX 9070 XT with 16 gigs of VRAM will ensure that you'll get a smooth gaming experience, either it be at 1440p or 4K resolution. And all of this built on Gigabyte's X870 platform or as Elite Wi-Fi 7 motherboard will ensure you have access for like fast DDR5 memory, PCI 5.0 support, and obviously next gen connectivity features including Wi-Fi 7. If you guys are also planning to build a PC like this, I'll try to leave all the links for them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it guys. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.